So now you've decided that you want to become an affiliate and you want to start making money with us. So here are all the steps. So first of all, make sure you have WAP downloaded on your phone through Google Play or the App Store. Make an account, log in, right? And then you want to go to your computer. Once you're on your computer, you go to wap.com, sign in, and then this is what it's going to look like. So you're going to see home, discover, right? You're going to go on discover. That's where you're going to go. And you're going to search up Shiroz, my name, and then trade alerts. That's it. You're going to click on this right here, right? Make sure there's a video of me and just, yeah. And then what you're going to do is you're going to scroll to the bottom. Of course, if you want to get access yourself, you can go here. Whether you want to get access or not, you go to the bottom, click on add to my affiliate dashboard. This is going to be at the very bottom. And it's going to show you how much you're going to get. So it says there's going to be a number here. Whatever that number is, that's how much you're going to get commission per person. So it says 20% right now, which means if you become an affiliate, every person that signs up through you, you'll get 20% of their monthly payments. So once you add this to your affiliate, it says link copied. Wait, add to my affiliate dashboard. Perfect. So now I've added this to my affiliate dashboard. So I go back and I go to affiliates. Once I go there, look, it's right here, right? So then I can copy affiliate link. And now this is going to be the link that I want people to sign up with. There you go. And then once they sign up, this is your custom link, right? Just get access, and now they're able to get started. So whenever someone signs up using your link, like I said, you will get 20% of their monthly payouts. So once you have your link, you want to have something like this organized to send to your affiliates. So I already have most of this stuff done for you. So you can just copy this exact message, just make a small change and add your link over here where it says your link. So let me explain this to you guys. It says Shiroz trade alerts / copy trading for $150 per month. And then it says your link, right? So this is where you want to have your link, of course. And then, it's going to say trade alert introduction video. So whenever they watch this introduction video, as far as, convincing them to buy, that's going to be done for you in that video. They're going to learn everything they need to. If they ever ask you any questions about the alerts, it just means they didn't watch the video or they didn't watch it properly or listen, right? Any questions they ask you regarding my trade alerts, any concerns they have, should have already been answered as soon as they finish watching the video. So if they do ask you questions, they are probably just asking you things that they would have already known in the video. And then it says, once you sign up for the alerts, you will get an email with 2 tutorial videos that teach you step by step on how to copy the trade alert. So now they know that once they sign up using your link, they will know how to actually copy the trade alerts regardless of how much they know about trading, even if they know nothing. And then over here it says if you live anywhere outside of USA, Ontario, what broker I would recommend. If you live in Ontario, if you live in depending on where you live, I would either recommend this or this platform. And then now they don't have, now they're not confused on what platform should I use. Technically they can use whatever they want, but if they don't know, they really, need us to recommend a platform, well, we have that now. So what you can simply do is, send someone this right over here with your link in here. And most of the work, if not all the work, is really just done for you when it comes to sales. So I'll have this in the description, right? Just copy that, and then you can take it away from there.